Welcome and what is up there everybody, this is Casper with Casper Crypto, and in today's video we've got some huge Dogecoin news that came out. This stuff is straight from the man, the myth, the legend, Elon Musk. So we got some really big news coming up with Dogecoin that are going to improve Dogecoin and how it functions and how this could actually pertain to Dogecoin rising pretty rapidly in the near future. So before we get into the video, I'd really appreciate if you guys could smash that like button down below and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you guys have not yet. I'd really appreciate it a ton. Alright, so getting into it, as you can see, Dogecoin's currently at about 21.5 cents, up about 1% on the day. Over the last week, it's just basically been having a bunch of ups and downs, mostly consolidating, but we did have a pretty major sell-off from about July 7th down to about July 8th, from 23 cents down to 19.8 cents. So that was a pretty big drop that we saw in the markets, but we did recover very, very rapidly. Like within the next few hours, we just had a huge spike back up. So we're doing pretty well. Whenever we have a big drop, we see a lot of buying pressure step in. So the Doge army is still strong, and we've got a lot of buying support and pressure whenever we have a pretty decent dip. So yeah, that's basically what's going on with Dogecoin. Now let's take a look at the news and see what Elon Musk is talking about and how Dogecoin is improving day by day. So taking a look, we can see Tesla billionaire Elon Musk outlines Visa Speed Dogecoin upgrade plan after serious Bitcoin and Ethereum warning. So Tesla billionaire Elon Musk, who's repeatedly backed Dogecoin over Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies in the last few months, has again gone to bat for the meme-based cryptocurrency. So we got Elon Musk supporting Dogecoin and pushing a lot of good news towards it. So as you can see, Elon Musk followed up his earlier tweets with the further details on how he sees Dogecoin eventually competing with the likes of payment giants like Visa. And Visa, if you guys don't know, is a massive, massive company that basically uses for people use for every single type of sorry for all these ads that pop up. Forbes doesn't allow people to use ad blocker. So but yeah, basically Visa is this massive company, and Dogecoin being competition with it, I think it's going to provide a lot of whenever there's a lot of competition, there's a lot of innovation and a lot of just improvement in technology. So this is good news to see. It's a lot of bullish news. So what we really want to take a look at though is the block size and frequency should steadily increase to match broadly available bandwidth. Elon Musk replied to Tesla fan account asking whether Dogecoin's transaction per second would have to reach the speed of Visa to be very useful. And then right here we can see he says it won't need to reach Visa speed, as regulated exchanges will act as de facto second layer. So we don't really need Dogecoin to be extremely fast, because we have exchanges that can be the second layer solution to it. But the perfect should not be the enemy of the good. It is still good to increase base layer transaction speed and lower base layer transaction cost, which is what we saw before in one of our previous videos where Elon Musk was talking about how he wants to decrease, how the developers want to decrease Dogecoin transactions by like 100x, which is great to see. So Elon Musk, the once proclaimed techno king of Tesla, once voted Dogecoin CEO. In a tongue-in-cheek Twitter poll, warned over limitations he sees with Bitcoin and Ethereum, branding them as slow with high costs, and he wants Dogecoin to be very, light and fast transaction speeds, low transaction costs, that kind of stuff. And what I really want you guys to take a look at, this is just one last thing I want to show you from this article. Just trying to find it right here. So basically what Elon Musk said is that he wants Dogecoin to be a global currency right here. Musk was replying to the tweet by Wallace that claimed the Dogecoin update is coming soon and that it will position Doge perfectly to become one of the most used currencies in the world. So in May, Musk proposed that Dogecoin upgrade he claimed is needed for Dogecoin to become the currency of Earth and beat Bitcoin hands down. So hey, Elon Musk is going as far as saying he's gonna beat Bitcoin with Dogecoin. I don't know if that's gonna happen, but I think that him improving Dogecoin is still massive bullish news, and then we see a lot of innovation coming up in this space, and as long as we keep innovating and improving the project, a lot of newcomers will start buying in, and that will drive the prices up. So that's basically the news we got with Elon Musk. We got here a little news article with Elon Musk's tweet, basically talking about how Bitcoin and Ethereum are like nothing compared to Dogecoin. Well, not nothing, but they're just not the optimal solution for currency compared to Dogecoin. So that's what Elon Musk is trying to push, Dogecoin to become a global currency. So as you can see, he said right here, Bitcoin and ETH are pursuing a multi-layer transaction system, but the base layer transaction rate is slow and transaction cost is high. There's a merit, in my opinion, to Doge maximizing base layer transaction rate and minimizing transaction cost, with exchanges acting as a de facto second layer. Basically what we saw in the other article, him just talking about how great Dogecoin could be in terms of a currency and not just a for example, Ethereum is better for building dApps and that kind of stuff. Dogecoin could be the place that we go to send and receive money. So yeah, basically, we got a lot of support from Elon Musk recently, which is great to see. We've already seen how much help Elon Musk has provided to Dogecoin, how much light he has spread onto it, and how many people we got to invest from it. So a lot of good news from him, and a lot of updates from him is always bullish news to see. So the last thing I want to show you guys is a very quick article about US Senator investing in Bitcoin and Ethereum via Grayscale, which is a Bitcoin trust that allows people to basically buy in indirectly Bitcoin. And this is good to see because we actually got political support. We're starting to get more political support, and this is what we need because we've had a lot of conflicts with senators recently not liking Bitcoin, trying to shut Bitcoin down, and cryptocurrency in general. They think it's evil and they think it's bad. So seeing Senator Patrick Toomey, that he's actually investing into Grayscale's Bitcoin and Ethereum trust is always good to see. And these good news can translate to more people continuing to buy Bitcoin, even if they're from the Senate and from any kind of political stance. And if we see a lot of people from the political area starting to invest, that'll spread a light towards Bitcoin, and a lot of, I would say, boomers would start getting into crypto once they see a lot of political people getting into it, because those are the people they trust, those are people who they listen to. And if they say it out loud, they let people know, hey, I'm looking to buy Bitcoin. I think cryptocurrency is great. I think it's going to be the future. And a lot of boomers will start getting into it like, let me do some more research. I think this could be good because this guy or any other senator said so, you know. So those are some good news I wanted to mention to you guys. And let's quickly go over a little bit of technical analysis, take a look at where Dogecoin could be heading in the next few hours and in the next few days. So basically what happened over the last few months is that we had this massive head and shoulders pattern right here. Oops, that wasn't too good of a shoulder. But we had this massive head and shoulder pattern form right here. And we broke below the neckline, had a retest, and dropped all the way down to the levels of 16 to 17 cents. For those who bought it up, who bought Dogecoin up around that area, hats off to you. That was an amazing deal. And then we rebounded all the way back up to about 28 cents. Where we formed this wedge right here, and we broke out from there, retested, like I mentioned in the previous video, we headed downwards, and now basically what we're trying to do is trying to break above this 50 MA on the 4-hour charts, which has been the recent area of support. As you can see, this 50 MA, we've rebounded from it once right here, and a second time looks like we're heading towards it right here. And we did have multiple areas where we tried to encounter it, but we haven't been able to break above. So the next point I would be taking a look at is for Dogecoin to actually break above the 50 MA, and that would signal a lot of bullish momentum coming into Dogecoin, which could push the prices higher. Of course, this is not financial advice. These are just my thoughts and opinions on the stock. So yeah, that's basically what I'm taking a look at. I'm just waiting for Dogecoin to break above here, and that will confirm that we are in a more bullish sentiment, and we could be heading up higher very soon. So yeah, that's basically what's going on with Dogecoin. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to smash that like button down below. Thank you guys all so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.